In this video, you'll learn how to use your PLUXEE card for making purchases on Amazon, step by step. Start by opening the menu from the top header. This will display your navigation options, allowing you to locate where to manage your PLUXEE card for online use. Next, continue through the menu options by clicking the navigation control several times. This ensures you're in the right section to set up your card for online shopping, such as Amazon. Once you reach the section, you'll be ready to proceed. That's it. Now you know how to access the settings to use your PLUXEE card online with Amazon.